Hello friends, today we are making delicious and very easy Korean beef bulgogi. Today I'm using boneless beef tenderloin cut, but you can use ribeye steak, sirloin steak, or even boneless chicken, cut in thin strips as shown. In a mixer grinder, add half onion cut in chunks, garlic, spring onion, leeks, kiwi, sesame oil, soya sauce, pepper, sugar, and blend everything nicely into a smooth paste. Take the sliced beef in a bowl and add the blended paste to it and mix well. Then add the half onion that is cut in slices and mix really well. Cover and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. Take out the beef from the fridge 10 minutes before you start cooking it. Heat a skillet or a non-stick pan on high flame and add cooking oil to it. Once the pan is hot, add the marinated beef and spread it around the pan nicely. Keep tossing and turning the beef in between and continue cooking on high flame. We will cook the beef till all the moisture dries up. If you want slight gravy in your dish, then add half a cup of boiling water right at the end, mix it really well, and the bulgogi is ready to be served. Garnish with chopped spring onion and toasted sesame seeds. Quick and easy Korean beef bulgogi is ready to be enjoyed with boiled white rice, kimchi, or any other side dishes. Please do subscribe and like our channel to bring you more such recipes from around the world. Villa Chefs signing out.